Vivian, what do you have? It's a new box from the cat lady. Yeah, and you have an assistant today? Right here, we have Mr. Zeus Man as well. Is he gonna, are you gonna share? I don't know. I don't know. How's it gonna work? All right, let's get the box open. Yeah, you have to get off of it before I can open it. She says, oh, we're gonna finally open it. And we'll keep the knife in case there's something we have to cut off. You wanna see what's in here? Uh-oh. I see an orange caterpillar. Oh, you're gonna go right to work already, huh? It's a cat that looks like an orange caterpillar. What are you getting? There's one right here. It looks like a cell phone. Oh, you want the cell phone? Is that what you're looking for? That's cute. It has a feather on it. I guess that's the antenna. Yeah, do you like that? What's this? What's this? Oh, it's one of those, it says it's called the brain cell. It's orange too, Zeus. I got your one orange brain cell. Oh gosh. Oh, you found the birthday cake. They told us there was going to be birthday cake because this is their 10th anniversary. You see, these things are super tough to get off there. I don't want you to have the little plasticky thing. Here's the birthday cake. Is this what you want? You like the birthday cake? It's got a candle. What else is in here? Look, you got 3 plushy toys this time. That's awesome. 3 plushy toys. Now Zeus wants to see what you've got. What do you have? Oh, you're taking the brain cell. You're taking Zeus's orange brain cell. Zeusy, you want this one? It's a cell phone. Or a piece of cake. It's always the plushies. That's good. They sent 3 this time. I know the one is just like an extra for their birthday anniversary. All right, let's see what else we have. Looks like we've got an orange cat umbrella. Cat lady, a black candle. Might scare the cats actually. There you go. Yeah, cats that are all loafed. Orange cats that are all loafed. That's cute. I think I know exactly what I'll do with that one. In the orange truck. That's pretty cool. Oops. What does it say here? Orange cat umbrella. Nothing like stating the obvious. So it seems that orange is the theme this month. We have a peach colored shirt, some orange writing, and it says Orange Cat Energy. Orange Cat Energy. So Zeusy, it's appropriate that you're here and that you're our only orange cat. And then this is an orange kitten pot with faux succulent. Succulent. With the tail. That's pretty cute. So I suppose you could put a real plant in there. That's funny. If you have a green thumb, feel free to replace it with your own plant. Which I probably will. All right, Now for a little cat action. Venus, did you give up? Huh? Where's the birthday cake? Somebody take the birthday cake? Oh, Zeus had both of them. You're sneaky. Yeah, you're sneaky. Now Nimwe's mad because she's not invited to the birthday party. Kind of low energy there, Zeus. Vivian, do you like your box this month? Yeah? Oh. You got the cell phone? She says, yes, I have a cell phone, but I really wanted the orange green cell. This says yellow. Yellow, yellow, yellow. You get it? Zeus is taking everything away. Are you being a poop? Huh? You want the brain cell? Uh-oh, it's under the chair now. Yes. I think it's Zeus's box. You've been crashed, Vivian. Zeus crashed your box opening. Okay. Zeus crashed your box opening. All right. Well, it sounds like the puppy needs me. Actually, she's just mad because she's not in here. And Zeus has taken all the toys. Venus is left speechless. And we're not going to talk about what happened to that chair, are we, Viv? Yeah, we can't talk about what the two of you have done to that chair. It's a nice looking room, except for the chair. Okay, Zeus, can you say bye? Bye, Zeus. Say bye. Yeah. I think she's mad that he crashed her box opening. She tried to steal his one brain cell. It wasn't successful. It's like, look, I still got it. You're a fool. You're a big fool. Yeah. She'll play with him. You just want the box? Should we save the box? It is orange. It is orange. I guess that should have been a clue as to what was inside. It was a bunch of orange stuff. Yeah. All right, I'll take all the tags out of it and give you the orange box. He's trying to phone for help. Asking a friend. Phone a friend. Birthday cake's still under the chair. All right, we'll get the box for you. How's that? I know the box is just as good as all the stuff that comes in it. You're silly. So now you got a new box. Okay. Yeah. You can watch out the window. There's a storm coming. Might be interesting. If Zeus leaves you alone.